Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. I am Amazing K, Karen K. Rush, and I am here to tell you what we're going to celebrate for December 4th and December 5th. But first, you know what you got to do. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can find out all the amazing days that we're going to celebrate. And hit the bell so you can get notifications whenever there's a celebration to be had. Listen, guys, the contest is still going on. We have to the end of this month, which is the end of this year in December, because January 1st, the first day of the month, we are going to have a drawing, and you can win a complimentary trip somewhere to your liking. You could choose one of these places. Yes. And the way you enter the drawing, get 3 people to subscribe to this channel just by giving them this information and say, come on and subscribe and find out some fun and quirky things. So much doom and gloom going on in the world. Come and find out what it is we're going to celebrate, to just have some joy and laughter and get some fun facts and things to just have fun. You know what? We just need a little bit of fun and a little bit of joy in our life. And that's what you will get here at Amazing K. So go ahead and get 3 people to subscribe and your name goes in the drawing. Get 3 more people and it goes in again. And you can win a fabulous trip for 2, a getaway. Yes, 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 yes. All right. So let's get that out the way. Also, I want to let you know what today is. It is December 4th. We're going to be celebrating, and December 5th. We're going to be celebrating both days. So guess what? December 4th is National Cookie Day. Yay! It's also National Sock Day. Yay! And it's December 5th is National Bathtub Party Day. Yay! So let's talk about December 4th first. Okay, National Cookie Day. Oh my gosh, cookies, cookies. I don't like the Cookie Monster. C is for cookie and it's good enough for me. C is for cookie and it's good enough for me. What's that from? Sesame Street, right? Well, you know what? We have lots of National Cookie Days, but today is National Cookie Day for all of the cookies. And during the course of the year, celebration every day, National Day calendar, we have all type of cookies that we celebrate. So in March, we celebrate Oatmeal Cookie Day. We also celebrate laced oatmeal cookie day, and Oreo cookie day we celebrate. We celebrate macaroon cookie day. You know, I was in, where was I? A couple of weeks ago, last week, I was in Morocco, and that's one of their great cookies. Everywhere you go, you saw macaroons. Macaroons are kind of like their dessert and that day is in May, Macaroon Day. We also have Frosted Cookie Day in June. We have, Chinese Fortune Cookie Day. That's in July. Oh, we have lots of cookies. In October, there was, November is Gingerbread Cookie Day, but today celebrates all of the cookies. Peanut Butter Cookie Day, we talked about that, and we had Chocolate Chip Cookie Day in August too. So listen, what's your favorite cookie? Put it in the comments. I want you to know, what is your favorite cookie? I think I shared with you on Peanut Butter Cookie Day my favorite peanut butter cookie and easiest peanut butter cookie recipe. There it is right there. You know, you only have those ingredients, peanut butter, flour, and sugar, and you get a wonderful cookie out of it. So today, I have some cookies here. So when I stopped on the road, I was on my way to Chicago, on my way back to Chicago, we stopped, and this is a cookie, Prairie City Cookie. Oh my God, look, it's so moist. And they come in macadamia nut, they come in chocolate chunk chip, and peanut butter, which is my favorite cookie, in case you didn't know. I love peanut butter cookies. Now, you know, I used to make chocolate chip cookies all the time, and I used to give them away for gifts. Mrs. Cox chocolate chip cookies is what it's called. Then I got remarried, and it became Mrs. Rush chocolate chip cookies. But I think I'm going to make some for Christmas. You know, this is a time of year where people have cookie exchanges. In fact, my sister's church is having one. So we're going to do that. Cookie Day, okay? But let me tell you about this Prairie cookie, because Oreo cookies are good. You know, one of my business partners, she loves Oreo cookies and milk, and when we stopped, I got this cookie and she got Oreos, and look what she does with it. Everybody loves Everybody loves dunking Oreo cookies in milk. That is the mainstay. So listen, guys. I have something to share with you. I am now an Amazon affiliate. Okay. So the things that I'm going to be talking about on my program here, Celebrate Every Day with Amazing Hay. If you want, you can go on Amazon and I'll give you the links and you can purchase them there. Easy peasy. This is the Christmas time, holiday time. People are buying gifts anyway. So here's some opportunity for you. Now listen, we've got these cookies here, Oreo cookies, because you know they have vanilla Oreo cookies too. A lot of people say they're okay, but everybody likes the original. But Nutter Butter cookies. So, you know, they have a whole case of these. These make great, great stocking stuffers. Oh, my goodness. And this company I just found out about. They're on Amazon, too. Look at here. Yeah. Now, I'm putting the links below in the description. You can just click on it. If you want to order it, great. And anything else you want to order on it, too. Okay, so that's Cookie Day. Guess what else today, that day, December 4th is? It is National Sock Day. So I love socks. You know, socks, these are one of my favorite socks. And look, they're slipper socks. So you can go around in them. They have these things here and just, they keep you so warm. Look at warm. Now, we have other kind of socks. We have footy socks. I love footy socks. These are all my socks right out my drawer. And I have socks. Now, this sock right here, excuse me, these are trouser socks. So, you know, it's getting cold now. People wear tight, thick socks. These are trouser socks. And I look at the polka dots. So, listen, all these socks, everything I get from Amazon. That's why I said I want to be an Amazon affiliate. Because Amazon is, since the pandemic, that's where everybody is like their place of choice to shop. And isn't it great that it comes right to your own door? Or you can go to a hub station and get it. And, you know, you can even go, they can even deliver it into your garage too. Yeah, yeah. So listen, those socks here, I love them. They make good stocking stuffers too, or good Christmas gifts too. I'm probably going to get me some more pair because they come in lots of different colors. And you know, my favorite color is purple. So yeah, that's great. So those affiliate links are going to be down in the description. All you do is click on them. Okay. So that is December 4th. One more thing I have to say for December 4th. It's somebody's birthday, December 4th. My BFF. And I just like to give a great shout out to Miss Pastor P, Diane Perryman. Happy birthday, Diane. Woohoo! It's your day. Now let's talk about December 5th. December 5th is Bathtub Party Day. Oh my God, Bathtub Party Day. You know what I think about when I hear that? I think about that song. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Round about a Saturday night. Rubbed up, I was sitting in a tub. Thinking everything was alright. I put my foot out the door and something, and I opened the door. How was I to know there was a party going on? They were splishing and splashing. Yeah, that old song. Everybody remember that song? That was a great song. But listen. Bathtub Party Day, that's a day where you can have a party in your bathtub. However you want to have a party. Now, I don't know if you have a big enough tub to have a party for 2 or 1 or whatever, but let me tell you what I do when I have a bathtub. My bath time is my pamper me time. And when I'm having a bathtub party, it kind of looks like this. Isn't that cool? I have the music going, the water is going, I have the candles. Like, this is a time of relaxation. That's my party in the tub. So however you want to celebrate it, maybe you want to get your rubber duckies in there and have fun, or maybe you want to have a nice party in the tub like this. But let me just show you. That's awesome. Because I have a detox bath that I do that is, it's awesome. So all I do is do 1/3 cup of lavender bath salt, Epsom salt, 1/3 cup of sea salt, and 1/3 cup of baking soda. And I put it together, mix it together, Pour it under hot running water. Get it hot as you can stand it. Be in there for 20, 30 minutes. Oh my God, it's heaven. Heaven on earth. And when you get out of that tub, you ain't ready to do nothing but go to bed. It relaxes you and it detoxes you. You start sweating. It gets all those impurities out of your body just from those little 3 ingredients. Isn't that awesome? And you get all those ingredients too on Amazon. Look, in the link. It'll be in the link down there. Yep, you can get them because you want to feel good about yourself. Even the candles, you can get it from Amazon. And listen, I know Bed Bath & Beyond, they have their candle sale and everything. But listen, the candles that I like are soy candles. And soy candles are better for the environment. It's better for you and inhaling the fragrances and things. And plus they burn better. They burn longer. They last longer. So you get more for your money, right? We're all trying to save money or make money in this economy right now. So yeah, soy candles are the way to go. So here's a gift set of soy candles. You can get for yourself. You get a good gift for your, this is the gift giving season. But you know what? All year round should be the gift giving season. We should give gifts all the time, not just at Christmas time, not just on birthdays. Give a gift because you feel like giving somebody a gift, okay? And not because you want to get one back. Because that helps people feel better. Helps you feel better when you give. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Give, and it shall be given unto you. Pressed down, shaken together, and running over shall men give unto you. That's scripture, y'all. So anyway, yes, it comes in different. You get a set, and you get different fragrances. Yes. Isn't that something? You get rose, cedar. Well, they're all listed here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, soy candles is where to go. So that's what for your bath. You want to have a bathtub party day because that's what December 5th is. Bathtub party day. Treat yourself. You owe yourself to do that because you work hard. Whether you're an entrepreneur working hard for yourself or working hard for somebody else, you work hard. You deserve to have a little bathtub party time, okay? Treat yourself because you deserve it. You are the GOAT. You are the greatest of all time. You are you. You are uniquely you. You're awesome. Look in your mirror and tell yourself that. There's nobody better than you. And if you're not where you want to be, get there. Do what you need to do it because you owe yourself to do that. All right? I love you. God loves you. You love yourself. And if you don't, you better start because nobody going to love you unless you love yourself. Okay? All right. That's it for the day. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness. Come on back and see what else we got going on. And don't forget to go down there on those links and look around, and see some of the things that we talked about today. Go ahead and order them because you owe you. I am Karen K. Rush, and I approve this message. Bye-bye.